I came, I have put everything in line. If not 100%, mostly 70% of the things are placed in line. I also assured that I will try to see the things done in a similar manner and see that the things are put in line. Senior Advocate Raja Reddy Garu spoke about shortage of judicial officers, public prosecutors, stenographers and other staff members. Sir, judicial officers, actually there was an examination, recruitment examination on 21st June. I think very soon, once the result comes, definitely we will get junior civil judges. And once junior civil judges result is out, our junior civil judges who are expecting promotion as senior civil judges is expected to be done. In fact, High Court has called for nominations of the officers, but then due to shortage of junior civil judges, they could not do it. The moment junior civil judges are there, our junior civil judges who has completed their tenure and eligible for the promotion, they will be promoted very soon. And I think by end of this year that should happen. And with regard to the direct recruiting district judges, already recruitment is done and process is there. Like I think it is in the stage of police verifications and all. But to my knowledge, only 3 officers are given direct recruitment posting will be given. But at the same time, there are senior civil judges who are waiting for their promotion as additional district judges also. This is all a change. Like once the JCJs comes in, then they will be moved forward and the new entrants will be given postings. One problem what I have seen working in the registry was whenever new officers are posted, due to their inexperience, they might be not, at least in a place like Hyderabad, there are all of you are much more experienced than the new officers who have just joined our department. So they may not match you in par with the experience what you have. So the complaints what I used to receive was that it is not matching the officer. New officer has to be posted somewhere or other. But then there is a grievance, not only in this bar, but throughout the state we used to get saying that so and so is a new officer, so and so has no big knowledge or whatever it is, etc. etc. But given time, they become excellent officers. Maybe first 2 years you must be sufferers because they'll be going for the trainings also. They have 2 years of training. First 2 years they are giving academy is giving training to them in spells like 3 months or 6 months spells they are giving. So there definitely you all have to adjust, sir. That is a request what I have because many of my officers are also training officers. So once that is, I think by end of this year some solution I think I am expecting. And with regard to public prosecutors also there is shortage. And in the month of November 2025 there was an examination. We are waiting for the results. Once the results are there, then I think we will get the new public prosecutors. Same scenario, like where notification given for assistant public prosecutors and additional public prosecutors. Already PPs who are working, they will be given promotion. And then whenever the results are out, I think we are expecting a good number of public prosecutors also. I think in the last month, some of the public prosecutors were given promotions, and because at least in the districts I have seen, some of them are posted there. Then with regard to the stenos and other stuff, already examinations are, last year examinations are over and we are waiting police verifications. The moment verifications are done and then we get the reports, we will give, High Court has already given us instructions to give appointments once the police verification is completed. So once the verification is completed, we are ready with the orders, and as soon as the process is done, we will definitely give the proceedings and then we will take the employees. And after that, one problem with the advocates, when staff is, you all should go and tell them, the new entrants, that to learn work from the seniors. That is not happening. all of you have said, like earlier they used to work up to 5 or 6 and then thereafter they used to go home and all. But now it is not happening because youngsters are not learning the work also. So it is on the advocates to see that all the new entrants learn work from the seniors. You might be knowing many good senior staff who has good knowledge in any particular area. You can kindly guide them, saying that XY has good knowledge in accounting, so kindly go. Or AB has something in judicial side. You can always tell them. And in my meeting with the advocates, I have already told them to learn the work. You can also request them, and I hope that problem will also be solved. When coming to Kiran Kumar Garu, Bar Council member, sir, in criminal cases, notices are counters are being filed, not at the whims and fancies of our wishes, nor due to COVID, sir. There's a Supreme Court judgment. I will give you the citation maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow to the bar. After that notification, I think it's a 3-judge judgment given by the Honorable Supreme Court. Thereafter only that practice has been adopted. The reason for adopting that is sometimes there was a big hue and cry saying that public prosecutors are not being given an opportunity to argue, and sometimes they used to blame the advocates, saying that advocates have when they have taken over the public prosecutor, and then that's the reason why they are getting the orders in their favor, etc., etc. So to put an end to such kind of allegations, this judgment has come to my knowledge. I have read a long time back, but I will definitely give it, sir. Because of that reason only it is coming. Otherwise, even we came from that side to this side. We can understand. We know. Even if I am an advocate, I also expect the judgment, the order to be given on the same day. But it is not possible for certain reasons, and due to the Honorable Supreme Court judgments. Notice along with the bail application, sir. Today morning only I was told by the public prosecutor that advocates are filing notice along with application, along with the bail petition. So I was also told that all the public prosecutors are going to go around the public prosecutor, but public prosecutor will come and collect in the office. Whenever they are collected, I'll inform my staff to see that their signature, date and time is put on it. Okay? I think that would put up. I think we can control in that manner. Maybe not 100%. At least we will try that. And record room scarcity, sir. Kiran Kumar Garu Meeru raised just the point. In every court it is there. The day when I have come here, I have gone around the whole court building because after 2010, I think after my exam and I got selected, I never came to this court early. Until 2010, from date of my enrollment, I was coming to this court. I know which court was where was the canteen, everything changed now. So I just went around and I saw. And I have raised this point also. See, looking at all the old bags tied and kept in the rooms, I was told that about 15 years back they have done, and thereafter they have not taken care of it. That definitely we will look into it, and then we will see that all the old material is cleared as soon as possible. As you all know, yesterday's unfortunate incident, maybe see, because the room was filled up with unnecessary things might be. I felt like that because as per the reports, there were no important records in that office, in that room where there was a fire accident. So such kind of things maybe we will try to clear. Then ACB court's issue, I was working as Registrar Vigilance at that point of time. At that point of time, Honorable High Court thought that CBI court should become a unit, and if CBI court has to become a unit, only 3, I think it was principal CBI and along with 3 additional courts were there. So with 4 courts there won't be any unit. So they thought like they will make it a unit, so therefore certain areas like ACB and all other courts, all other subjects were included in the CID, and that was made a unit. So that's how the new unit, CBI unit was born. So that's how from I think 2022, I think they made it separate.
21.
19, I think thereafter, because I was not there in 21, 22. No, separate ఉండే బట్ యూనిట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేసి ఒక యూనిట్ చేసి ఒక సెపరేట్ బిల్డింగ్ దట్ వాజ్ ఆల్ డన్ ఇన్ 2021, 2022 టు మై నాలెడ్జ్.
22.
I was working there. I was not there. So that's how ACP courts has started working. Regarding court constables, sir, this I have already issued with the senior police officials. Very soon you will see the change. I don't want to discuss in the public about it, but very soon you will see the change. And surety, your request, sir, Kiran sir, request was surety to be taken between 3 and 4. That's what you said, sir. We will try, sir, because every court is burdened with so much of work. We will definitely try to streamline and we will try to get it as you have asked for, because even my officers have their own families. Even they have to go home, take care of their own families. They will also definitely try, all the officers, they will try to see that this miscellaneous work is taken up between 3 to 4 p.m. Rajavardhan Reddy Garu has spoken about bar and bench relationship. As I have already told you, we are here to maintain the relationship and it will continue. Ravi Kishore Garu also said that you all are going to give us good assistance. Thank you very much, sir. We really appreciate that and we request all of you to cooperate with us, and I also on behalf of the officers assure you that all of us will maintain bar and bench relationship by giving assistance to each other. Not only assistance from you, but from us also. You will get whatever assistance it is needed. We will definitely give you. Regarding 41A notice and Lok Adalat settlement, of course I have already told you, since it is in the act, we cannot do anything. But we will see how best it can be handled. We will see, because that also I don't want to discuss in the public. I have my way of doing things, but give me at least 2 to 3 months time where you can find the change. You cannot see anything overnight, so give me little time, and I hope I will try to see that all your whatever promises I made now, definitely I am going to implement, and I will see to it that they are all achieved. And thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
రాగానే ఫస్ట్ డే కమిట్మెంట్ మేడం వర్క్. నైట్లో ఫైర్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అయింది. నైట్లో అరౌండ్ 12:30, 1 o'clock మేడం వచ్చి మార్నింగ్ ఎర్లీ అవర్స్ 4 వరకు ఇక్కడే ఉన్నారు. మేడం గారు ఇవాళ ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టుకున్నాం కదా, కంటిన్యూ చేద్దామా? లేదంటే మీరు ప్రోగ్రామ్ షెడ్యూల్ ఏదో కంటిన్యూ చేసేయండి అన్నారు. సో ఫస్ట్ డే మీ కమిట్మెంట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
సభకు విచ్చేసినటువంటి గౌరవనీయులైన నూతన మెట్రోపాలిటన్ సెషన్ జడ్జి శ్రీమతి కె సాయి రమాదేవి గారికి, సిబిఐ జడ్జి గారికి, గౌరవనీయులైన సెషన్ జడ్జ్, మెజిస్ట్రేట్స్ అండ్ ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి విచ్చేసిన గౌరవనీయులైన బార్ కౌన్సిల్ సభ్యులకి, తర్వాత మెట్రోపాలిటన్ క్రిమినల్ కోర్ట్ బార్ అసోసియేషన్ సీనియర్ న్యాయవాదులకు మరియు నా సహచర న్యాయవాదులందరికీ కూడా పేరు పేరున నా వినమ్రత నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, ఈరోజు మన బార్ అసోసియేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో నిర్వహించిన ఈ స్వాగత కార్యక్రమానికి తమ అమూల్యమైన సమయాన్ని కేటాయించి విచ్చేసినటువంటి గౌరవనీయులైన న్యాయమూర్తులందరికీ, బార్ కౌన్సిల్ సభ్యులందరికీ నా యొక్క హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు. గౌరవనీయులైన శ్రీమతి కె సాయి రమాదేవి మేడం గారికి మా బార్ అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున మరోసారి హృదయపూర్వక స్వాగతం తెలియజేస్తున్నాము. మీ సేవా కాలంలో న్యాయము, నిష్పాక్షికత, పారదర్శకత మరింత ఉన్నత స్థాయికి చేరాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఆకాంక్షిస్తున్నాను. మేడం, న్యాయ వ్యవస్థలో బెంచ్ అండ్ బార్ పరస్పూర్వకమైన వ్యవస్థలు, పరస్పర గౌరవము, విశ్వాసము, సహకారము మరియు సత్సంబంధాలతో ముందుకు సాగినప్పుడే న్యాయపాలన మరింత బలోపేతం అవుతుంది. మీ న్యాయకత్వంలో బెంచ్ అండ్ బార్ సంబంధాలు మరింత బలపడాలని మా బార్ అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున వినయపూర్వకంగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ కార్యక్రమం విజయవంతం కావడానికి సహకరించిన గౌరవనీయ న్యాయమూర్తులందరికీ, బార్ కౌన్సిల్ సభ్యులందరికీ, మా బార్ అసోసియేషన్ అధ్యక్షులు, ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి, కార్యవర్గ సభ్యులు, సీనియర్ న్యాయవాదులందరికీ కూడా పేరు పేరున ప్రత్యక్షంగా పరోక్షంగా సహకరించిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి నా యొక్క హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ విలువైన అవకాశం నాకు కల్పించిన మా బార్